Good morning everyone. Class 1 Oak, are you ready for the computer class? Today I will take your computer class, okay? Class 1 Oak, are you ready beta? Very good morning all of you. Good morning beta. Good morning. I hope you all are ready. Are you ready? Class 1 Oak. Today I will take your computer, okay? Now I will take your computer copy, okay? So you all please take out your computer book and you have to prepare, you have to make a separate copy for the computer. That may be like a science copy or a 2 lines copy, whatever you have in your home in school copy that you can use for the computer, okay? Maybe a 2 lines copy, like a 4 lines copy, or a like a science copy, one white page and another one 2 lines, another page 2 lines. That may be okay, no problem, but that should be a school name and school logo, okay? Let's start now. I will take your math and computer, okay? I will take your math and computer, both the classes. Today I will take your computer now. You all please take out your computer book. Do you have computer book with you or not? Do you have computer book with you? Okay, Nandini, very good. Then please take out and open page number 9. The C for computer. Okay, very good, very good. Arya, Shayon, Jasmine. Okay, very good. And Oshmita, Trishita, very good. Now let's start your computer book and open chapter page number 9. First, do you know C for computer? C for computer, okay? C, computer spelling C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. What is the spelling of computer? C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer, okay? Computer, this is your new subject. In class 1, you have many new subject. In KG, there was no computer, no EVS, no value education, no GK book. But now you have 4 new subjects like computer is a new subject, EVS is a new subject, value education is a new subject, and GK, it is a new subject. Okay, you have to, now you are in class 1, you have to learn more. In class 2, you have to learn more and more. In this manner, you will grown up. Okay, so computer is a new subject. First, we will know the spelling of computer. Computer spelling C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer start with C. C for computer. Okay. What is this? What is this? Computer. Do you know what is this? Computer is a, can you tell me? Yes, very good, Nandini. Computer is a machine. Computer is a machine. Very good, Tanishtha. Shayon, very good, beta. Very good, Shouhardo. Very good, Oshmita. Very good, Orgho. Very good, beta. Now, computer is a electronic machine. Computer is a Prithviraj, very good. Otri, very good. Oshmita, very good. Jasmine, very good, beta. Afrin, very good. Computer is a smart machine, electronic machine. Computer is a electronic machine. It is a smart machine. Computer is a machine. With the help of this machine, we can do many things. Nowadays, computer is a very important machine for us. Each and everywhere we are using computer. Now I am using computer for teaching. I am teaching through computer, okay? net, obviously internet is required, but computer through this machine I am teaching you. I hope you someone are using computer, right? Who is using computer and who is using mobile phone? Please reply me. Nandini, computer, okay, fine. And others? Others? Okay, that means laptop, it's also a computer, Bhabok. Okay, Trishita, mobile, okay, Autri. Autri, you use mobile or computer? Oshmita, laptop. Orgho, laptop. Inakshi, mobile. Shobhardo, laptop. Ombika, mobile. Okay, fine. Someone are using mobile and some students are using computer. There are different types of computer are there. Okay, very good all of you. There are two types of computer here, are just indicate two types. One is desktop, another one is laptop. Desktop and laptop. Desktop computer, I am using desktop computer. I am using for teaching you, I am using desktop computer. Desktop computer, I have a monitor. Do you know how many main parts of a computer? Can you tell me how many main parts of a computer? Look, hands, leg, head, nose, ear, this is your part. Same as computer has 4 main parts. Very good, Nandini. 4 main parts have a computer. Computer have 4 main parts. What are they? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, monitor, keyboard, mouse and what have done? What you have done, beta? Joined everyone? Okay. There are 4 main parts of a computer. These are CPU. CPU, it is a full form is Central Processing Unit. Always when we write CPU in capital letter. CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse. These 4 are main parts of a computer. Without, if any part is damaged, you cannot do anything in computer. Okay, there are 4 main parts of a computer. They are CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse. Okay, in desktop there are 4 main parts. In all the computer have 4 main parts, but in desktop all the parts are attached with the CPU, because CPU is the brain of a computer and it's all the parts are attached with the CPU, and it's we cannot carry desktop any easily because its weight is heavy. The CPU weight is heavy. So desktop computer we can keep on the desk. Desktop computer we can keep on the desk, so its name is a desktop computer. Desktop computer we can keep on the desk, so its name is desktop computer. I am keeping my computer on a table, on a desk, so its name is a desktop computer. And laptop computer we can keep on our lap. When we do the work, we can keep on our lap. Its weight is light than the desktop computer. lightweight, so we can carry it easily anywhere. Laptop computer we can carry anywhere, okay, but desktop computer we cannot carry because all the parts are not joined. But laptop computer, all the parts are joined together, such as, and in a one device there is a CPU is also attached inside, mouse and monitor, keyboard is the only single device, all the parts are attached, so we can carry it very easily. Yes, computer is a smart electronic machine. Computer is a very useful machine. We can do many things with the help of a computer. Can you tell me what can do with a computer? Uses of computer, where we use the computer, you can say, you can tell me. We can use computer for typing. We can use computer for typing. We can use computer for playing games. Am I right? You can use computer for drawing. You can use computer for solve sums. You can solve sums through the computer. So you can do many things. Typing, yes, very good, Inakshi, very good. We can type a letter, we can write a paragraph, and online classes, yes, very good, very good. And we can draw, we can listen to music, and we can watch movie on a computer. Am I right? Am I right, beta? You can watch movie on a computer, you can draw in computer, you can play games on a computer, you can listen to music on a computer, but in your machine speaker should be there. If speaker is there, you can listen to music, okay. And speaker is also a part of a computer, but it is not a main part of a computer. Other than speaker, you can use your computer, okay. We can do many things with the help of a computer, and nowadays it is a very important and useful machine for us. And where you have seen computer, I hope everyone's home have computer. Maximum students have computer, right? In a home, where you have seen computer, in your home, in school, in bank, in office, railway station, shopping mall. Have you seen? Have you went Pantaloons, Reliance Trend? Have you went or not? Have you seen they are using, when you going for billing, they are using computer, right? They are using computer, yes or no? Yes, Tanishta. Very good. In school, when you come to school, you can see in our lab, all the computer are desktop. One for your lab, 2 labs in school, one for you, another one for elders, okay. So all the machines in our lab are desktop. All the machines in our school are desktop, okay. For the practical, we use that machine. Now we cannot come to school, we can't use, but who have computer in your home, they will practice. They will type your name, your parents' name, your address. Sometimes you will try to draw something in computer. Sometimes obviously you can play games, but not more, maximum time, okay. And now let's see, can you tell me the places where you have seen a computer? I already told you have seen computer in your home. Someone's home have computer. I hope maximum students have computer in their home. In our school have computer. Now I am teaching you through the computer. Now I am taking your online classes through the computer. I can see you, ma'am, and the board. You cannot see, others can see. Srijan Bhattacharya. What happened, Srijan? Maybe your network problem, Srijan. Others can see. Others can see the board clearly. Others can see, beta Srijan. Maybe your network problem. You just restart. You just leave the class and join again. Maybe your problem will solve. Poor network connection. You cannot see the board and me also. Okay. Now, in the shopping mall, we can see in shop, medicine shop, in other shops they are using computer, and in railway station for the reservation we are using computer, right? And in office, banks, hospital. Okay, now we are using computer. Okay, and we will learn more about computers in the following chapters. Next chapter we will learn more and more. Now we will do this activity. You all please turn over the next page, page number 10. You all please turn over the next page and do this activity. Join the dots to get the picture. Join the dots to get the picture. You can also color it with your favorite color, but don't use the favorite color. Maybe black is your favorite color, blue, red your favorite color, but don't use the dark color. You use light color, light pink or light yellow. If you use dark color, your next page will be damaged. You cannot read. When you close your book, that color will damage your next page. So better you use light color, light pink or light yellow. And if you have pencil color, you can use your pencil color. Okay, but also light color, light pink or light yellow. Okay. Anurag, what happened beta Anurag? Now please join the dots. Start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Till 17. First join the dots and then color it. Then color. Now I will take your attendance. Then color. I am giving 3 minutes to join the dots and then color it. And then you show your book to me. You just send that image in chat. You all please take out your color also, and first join the dots and then color. First join the dots and then color. Start. Habu start. Prithviraj. Can't see you, ma'am. Anurag, I am not drawn on the board. You have to join the dots on and then color it and then show your picture to me. Okay, okay. First you join the dots and then color beta. You have to show your page to me. Have you completed your work? Nobody will leave the class. Okay, very good Shayon, very good Nandini, very nice. Arja, very good, very nice. Shayon, color it beta. Shayon. Shayon, color it beta. Oshmita Bhavok, color it beta. Ombika, color it beta. Ombika, color it. Otri, color it. Arjo, very good beta. And others please show it to me quickly. Very good. First join the dots and then you can see it is a computer. Okay, very good. Trishita, very good. Shauhardo, very good. Very good beta. Others, I have taken your attendance. Arush Ghosh, Afrin Sultana, Ombika Datta, Onkita Das, Anurag Murmu, Arya, Arjo Chatterjee, Oshmita Haldar, Oshmita Bali, Oshmita Bondhu, Oshmita Bhavok, Oshmita Otri Das, Ayush Bhakot, Devdatta Roy, Goirika Mondol, Granthana Kundu, Inakshi Nondi, Jasmine Ali, Moyuk Majhi, Nagsrestha, Nandini, Ayan Mukherjee, Orgho Mondol, Oviraj, Konishko, Priyam, Priyankori, Rudrodita, Shayon, Simran, Shauhardo, and I have taken your attendance beta for today this much. For today this much. See you next class. You all will very good Oshmita, nice. And Rudrodita, please color whole picture. Shauhardo, very good. Trishita, very good. Okay, for today this much. Next class I will start chapter number 1, computer a smart machine. Okay Shimran. Okay, bye all of you. Have a nice day.